Hello children, I am Sonali Patil from Dokle Education Society, Agile High School English Medium, Ozar Township. I post videos on State Board. Last video we have learned lesson Pin code Pravartakah Mahan Sanskrit Tadhyah. Now we will learn Samas, compound. What is the meaning of compound? The group of words means compound. Shabdasya samuha means samas. Students, compound has 4 types. First, Purvapad Pradhan Samas. Second, Uttarpad Pradhan Samas. Third, Ubhaypad Pradhan Samas. Fourth, Anyapad Pradhan Samas. First type is Purvapad Pradhan Samas. In this compound, first constituent is important. Second type is Uttarpad Pradhan Samas. In this compound, second constituent is important. Third type is Ubhaypad Pradhan Samas. In this compound, both constituent is important. Fourth type is Anyapad Pradhan Samas. In this compound, other constituent is important. In this term, you have Ubhaypad Pradhan Samas, means both constituents are important. Ubhaypad Pradhan Samas has two types. First, Iterator Dvandva Samas and second is Samahar Dvandva Samas. Let us see student first type Iterator Dvandva Samas. Some information is given about the Iterator Dvandva Samas. See students, listen properly. In this compound, both constituents are important. First is while dissolving, means vigraha. Both constituents are in nominative case and use cha after every word. Second is the compound word is either dual or plural depending upon the number of words in the compound. Third, the gender of the last word becomes the gender of the compound word. For example, Uma Shankara. Two constituents are there, Uma or Shankar. The second word is masculine. Shankar is masculine. So the compound has become masculine. Second example is Ruksha Lata. Ruksha and Lata. Two constituents are there. First is Ruksha and second is Lata. The second constituent Lata is feminine. So the compound has become feminine. Let us see students some example. Page number 41. See that first picture has given Chandra Suryo. Chandraha cha Suryaha cha. Iterator Dvandva Samas. Students, see the rules. While dissolving, both constituents are in nominative case. See that Chandraha and Surya is in nominative case. And use cha after every word. We use that cha after every word. See the next example, next picture. Balaka balikaha. Balakaha cha, balikaha cha. Iterator Dvandva Samas. See the students, in this compound words is either dual or plural depending upon the number of words. So in this compound, many girls are there, many boys are there. For that plural. Balakaha cha, balikaha cha. Next picture, next example, Ruksha Lata. See student, this compound also plural because many creepers and many trees are there. For that, Rukshaha cha, Lataha cha, Iterator Dvandva Samas. Next part, in your page number 41, Kruti 1, Chitram Drishtva Samasta Padani Likhata. One example has given that flowers are there and leaves also are there. So, Patra Pushpani. Samasta Pad means samasik word, means group of the words. That word you should write. Next picture, the duster is there, chalk is there. Chalk means Sudha Khanda and duster means Marjakaha. So, two things are there. Sudha Khanda, Marjakau. This is a Samasta Pad. Next picture, spoons and bowls are there. For the spoon, chamas, and for the bowl, kataha in Sanskrit. So, chamas, kataha is the Samastapadam. Next part. Chitram drishtva samasa vigraham likhata. Samasa vigraha means dissolve the compound. First example is given. See the first picture. Skandaha cha Ganeshah cha. First picture, that animals and birds are there. So we should write there Pashavaha cha Pakshinaha cha. Next picture, that lock and key is there. Lock in Sanskrit talah and key in Sanskrit kuchika. So talah cha kuchika cha. Next page, page number 42. Chitram drishtva samastapadam samasa vigraham cha likhata. Samastapadam means group of words and samas vigraha means dissolve the compounds. Both are should write. See the next picture. In this picture, fruits are there. Orange and grapes. Orange means naranga and grapes means draksha. So group of words is draksha narangani and dissolve the compound is draksha cha narangani cha. Next picture. In this picture, pen and pencils are there. Many pencil and many pens are there. So for the pencil, ankani is Sanskrit word and for the pen, lekhani is the Sanskrit word. So group of word is ankani lekhanya and the dissolution of the compound is ankanyaha cha lekhanyaha cha. Next example, in this picture Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati is there. So Shankara Parvatyo is the Samastapadam and Shankaraha cha Parvati cha is the Samasa Vigraha. Next picture, one sparrow is there and one ant is there. So for the sparrow Chataka and for the ant Pipilika is Sanskrit word. Samastapadam is Chataka Pipilike and Samas Vigraha Chataka cha Pipilika cha because both are feminine. Next picture, in this picture one fish is there and one is frog is there. So for the fish Matsya in Sanskrit and for the frog Mandukah is the Sanskrit word. So Matsya Mandukau is the Samastapadam and Matsyaha cha Mandukah cha is the Samas Vigraha. Next picture, in this picture one pencil is there, one pen is there and one paper is there. So for the pen lekhani, for the pencil ankani and for the paper kargaja. So ankani lekhani kargajaha is the samastapadam and dissolution ankani cha lekhani cha kargajah cha samas vigraha. These all compounds are iterator dvandva samas. Now next samas is samahar dvandva samas. Let us see students samahar dvandva samas. This compound indicates group. The constituents which come together in this compound are treated as a separate unit but taken as a whole unit. So it is called samahar dvandva samas. Second thing is this compound is always singular in number, neuter, gender. Third thing, while dissolving add the words etayoho, etesham, samahar dvandva samas. This compound prescribed for the words expressing limbs of living beings, parts of army, instrument players, born enemies and small insects. Let us see students some examples given in your textbook page number 42. First picture is, in this picture one mouse is there and one cat is there. For the cat in Sanskrit marjarah and for the mouse in Sanskrit mushakah. They both born enemies. So mushaka marjaram is the samasta padam. While dissolving cha is added and etayoho also. एतयोः और एतेषां. So मूषकः च मार्जारः च एतयोः समाहारः. Why एतयोः? Because मूषकः and मार्जारः, only two words are there. For that एतयोः समाहारः. Next example, next picture, two hands and two legs means body parts are there. For hand, hasta Sanskrit word. For legs, padam Sanskrit word. For that hasta padam. While dissolving, cha is added and etayoho or etesham used. So two hands, for that hastau cha, and two legs, for that padau cha, and two means four words are there. So for that etesham samaharah. Next picture, next example, Sukshma Jivaha means insects are there, that eucalyptium that found in our hair. So eucalyptium is the samasta padam. While dissolving, cha is used and etesham or etayoho is used. So yukaha cha, likshaha cha, etasam samaharah. Why etasam? Because that feminine. For that etasam. Next picture, Haridra Kumkum, that turmeric powder and kumkum is there. While dissolving, cha and etayo etesham use. Haridra cha kumkumam cha etayo samaharah. Next example, milk and sugar is there. Dugdha sharkaram is a samasta padam. And while dissolving, dugdam cha sharkara cha etayo samaharah. Next picture, last example, tila gudam is the samasta pada and tilaha cha gudaha cha etesham samaharah is the dissolution. Students, on this grammar part, like that question has asked in the question paper. See that prithak kuritah, two parts are there. First part iterator dvandva and second part samahar dvandva. And in the bracket given that compounds means samas. So you choose which is the iterator dvandva samas and which is a samahar dvandva samas. So let us try, students. We have learned that samahar dvandva samas is always neuter. So which compound is neuter? Haridra kumkumam, like that vanam, tilagudam, dugdha sharkaram, that all neuter. So that all compounds are in samahar dvandva samas. Matsyamantakau, patrapushpani, vrukshalataha, that all iterator dvandva samas. One more example I have given. You should write in your classwork this example, solve it. Then 41 and 42 page also you should write in your grammar part.